How to treat skin hyperpigmentation naturally. Hyperpigmentation is a common, usually harmless condition in which patches of skin become darker in color than the normal surrounding skin. Having extra pigment in some areas of skin is usually harmless but can sometimes indicate another medical condition. Types of hyperpigmentation include age spots, melasma, and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. How to prevent hyperpigmentation, or to stop it becoming more prominent. Avoid exposure to the sun. Use a sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to protect the skin and stop hyperpigmentation from becoming darker. Avoid picking at the skin. To prevent hyperpigmentation from forming after an injury, avoid picking at spots, scabs, and acne. Milk and honey. Milk, buttermilk, and even sour milk have all been shown to effectively lighten skin discoloration. Lactic acid is the ingredient responsible for this effect. The simplest way to treat this is with a paste of milk and honey on the affected areas. You can also mix curd with it. Since milk and curd contain lactic acid, they peel off the affected skin after a period of time, leaving skin soft and beautiful. Juices. Vegetable juices from tomatoes, cucumber, and potato can also be applied on skin. These will lighten pigmentation and will suit all skin types. This will also soothe skin and leave it feeling fresh all day. Aloe vera. Aloesin, a compound that is present in aloe vera, may lighten hyperpigmentation. Aloesin works by inhibiting the production of melanin in the skin. Apply pure aloe vera gel to pigmented areas before bedtime. Rinse using warm water the next morning. Repeat daily until your skin color improves. Liquorice. Licorice extracts may lighten hyperpigmentation. Licorice extract called glabridin can have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and skin whitening effects. Topical creams containing licorice extract are available over the counter. Use as directed on the packaging. Green tea. Green tea extracts may improve hyperpigmentation. Green tea has long been studied for its potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Steep a green tea bag in boiled water for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag from the water and let cool. Rub the tea bag over your dark patches. Repeat twice a day until you get results. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which research shows may lighten pigmentation. Combine equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a container. Apply to your dark patches and leave on 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse using lukewarm water. Repeat twice daily until you achieve the results you desire. Black tea water. Add a tablespoon of fresh black tea leaves to a cup of boiling distilled water. Steep for 2 hours and strain to remove the leaves. Soak a cotton ball in the tea water and apply to areas of hyperpigmentation, twice a day. Repeat every day for 6 days a week, over 4 weeks. Orchid extracts. Applying orchid-rich extracts to the skin for 8 weeks will improve the size and appearance of dark patches. You can buy skin products containing orchid extract, including masks, creams, and scrubs. Use as directed for the best results. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.